YouTube OEM Plus family, we are back with another video. As you can see, I'm in the cockpit of the G80 M3. I'm banging through gears. I got 3 pedals. It's crazy. Most people don't know anything about that because of paddle shifting these days. But anyway, I digress. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys what Tampa car scene is like. It's a Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern time, and we are headed to a little after hours, little meetup here in Tampa, or Tampa area. So yeah, I will about 6 minutes away, so you get to see me sit in traffic and drive there, and then from there I will cut to music and pretty much just showcase some of the cars there, and hopefully it's a nice, smooth, clean, chill video for you to watch while you're teleworking. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it should be pretty good. Enjoy. Until then, I will shut up so you can hear the sounds of the twin turbo V6 and all that stuff. Nah, I'm not gonna shut up. I don't know, man. I'm just trying to, like, you know, really do some big things with this YouTube, man. I got a lot of things coming up, a lot of parts coming in that's taking a very long time to get in, but I promise you it will be worth it. I mean, I won't tell you guys what it is, but I'll just give you guys the category in which it is. So got new wheels coming in, got a new suspension coming in, what else? Got new interior parts coming in to really like spice up the interior. It's gonna be pretty dope. Gonna do some engine bay and performance mods. That's also coming in. All these things are like being built, so they're custom, you know, taking, you know, a month, 2 months for them to be done and coming in. So yeah, man, not half-stepping with this build. I still got to do the suspension on my Atlas. Haven't done that yet, but still got to do that. But yeah, man, it's gonna be crazy. And then after that, after I do these round of mods, let me know in the comments if I should unlock the ECU or not. I don't know yet, but if not, I'll probably just start going to my classics and getting those freshened up. I gotta do repainting for both of them, E39 and E24, new suspension for both of them, and wheels for the E24. So yeah, gotta get on this interstate.
guys? It's IFO here. Look at this beautiful views of one, a shitbox called a Corvette. We got another one called a Supra, aka a BMW.
BMW Light.
And then we got an actual wannabe STI back there.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Welcome to our meets.
There you have it. pretty solid turnout. You saw everything from RWBs to classic Mustangs. It was pretty legit, man. I was excited. I was glad to catch that the STO next to the G80. That was pretty legit with the matte. Well, of course, theirs is painted. Mine is painted plus BPF. But yeah, that's how we do it here in Tampa. You know, we do these evening events, and then we have a lot of cars and coffees. I'm gonna start going to the cars and coffee so you guys can see what that's like, because there's a whole nother crowd that go out there. And yeah, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of these types of videos. I got some other ideas coming up down the pipe, so should be interesting. Stay tuned. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. And until then, if it's OEM, you better put a plus on it. And we out.